This is Dave Stanton for Carbatec. The Carbatec Pro Router Tables are available in two different work table materials: solid phenolic or cast iron. Solid phenolic, which is harder and heavier than regular MDF tables, not only reduces vibration, but it is extremely moisture resistant as well as being consistently flat. Carbatec's precision milled solid cast iron top is a tried and true option, with cast iron being the choice of quality machinery manufacturers for decades. Flat, heavy and resistant to bumps and bangs from an active workshop, it is the best all round. Both of these quality tops will accept the supplied aluminium router mounting plate and also the optional lift and lock universal router lift. The standard insert has an opening of 38mm and the total open throat diameter is a huge 91mm. Carbatec's Pro Router Table fence is manufactured from a single piece of aluminium extrusion, a complex profile designed to stay flat and provide great work support. The fence assembly also includes adjustable locking side scales for setting fence alignment and handy planing spacer bars, which are here, for accurate edge trimming. The top and the front of the fence feature T-slots which allow the fitting of jigs and accessories as well as the included transparent guard. To reduce your exposure to dust, a 63mm dust port is standard for efficient dust extraction from the above table. With safety and convenience in mind, Carbatec include as standard a remote mount NVR no volt release on-off paddle switch that mounts to the leg frame of the router table to activate your router. Carbatec's unique switch design allows attachment as front-facing or side-facing and allows you to easily and safely control your router's power. The Carbatec Pro stand features box section legs and bolted construction, making it solid and stable. The stand also has height adjustable feet down there, which will fit neatly inside most mobile bases if mobility is required. There is also provision for storage of the included precision miter gauge assembly. Look at that. Optional extras to enhance your new router table are the dust box with magnetic latch, which encloses the router to maximize dust collection from below the table, the precision Carbatec lift and lock router lift, adjustable flip stop, and micro adjusters for precise fence positioning. A 5-piece set of router table inserts, including one of them is for guide bushes. Router bit storage racks that attach to the legs of the router table, and also a handy storage box that fits below the dust collection box. The Carbatec Pro Router Table can be customized via the available selection of tops and accessories to your specific requirements, or choose from one of Carbatec's many pre-configured kits. Carbatec's router tables are designed for the hobbyist and demanding professional woodworker alike. The Carbatec Pro Router Table will be a trusted and reliable high-performance machine in your workshop for many years to come.